Here's how to fix lines on your iPhone screen. Now, if your iPhone screen looks something like this, where you can see lines all throughout it, there are vertical lines or horizontal lines. There are a few different ways you can fix that. The first and easiest way is to head into the settings here on your iPhone. I have an iPhone 16 Pro. You can do this on any iPhone. Now, from here, let's scroll down and tap on General. And the first thing we'll try at the very bottom is to shut down your phone. Just tap on the shutdown button, or you could do a force restart just by pressing volume up, volume down, and pressing and holding that side button until you see the Apple logo and then letting your finger off. Now, that's the first option. Again, a lot of times it fixes it just by rebooting your phone. But if that doesn't fix it, the next thing that we will do is go into General again and go to Software Update. Again, this is a really common thing that fixes a lot of glitches on iPhones. Is just update the software to the latest version. You can see iOS 18.5 is the current version. So just update your phone. Now, if you've gone through those steps, but there's still those vertical lines, we're going to test to see if it's a hardware issue. So if you have a screen protector somewhere on your screen, then just peel that off and get a nice cloth and wipe off your entire screen. So you want to just basically have nothing on your screen and for it to be nice and clean. Now, if you do see those vertical lines, then you're going to take your finger and you're going to press and hold where those vertical lines are. If those vertical lines change or they basically disappear when you press and hold, that's an indication that it is a hardware issue. You might need to take it into an Apple store, have them plug in your phone and run some diagnostics on your iPhone screen. Maybe it needs to be replaced. If it isn't a hardware issue, if that doesn't impact your iPhone screen lines, then you're going to go back to your settings here. Again, you're going to tap on General, and then we're going to scroll down to the bottom and hit Transfer or Reset iPhone here. Now from here, we're going to hit Erase All Content and Settings and go through the process of erasing everything and reinstalling everything. Don't worry, everything will be backed up so that you won't lose any of your data or information. But by going through this process, you can reset everything and essentially you can see if it's a software issue. If you're still having that issue, then most likely it's a hardware issue.